This is the Huion Inspiroy RTS-300, a digital drawing tablet. It is super lightweight, has a premium look and comes with a matte finish. The tablet has a dotted surface to clearly show you the active drawing area. It comes with a USB-C port and can be connected with laptops, Android phones and Android tablets. This tablet also has a battery-free stylus pen which has a rubber grip and 2 customizable buttons. Additionally, it has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a 60-degree tilt support. Along with this, it also allows for real-time synchronization. The best part about this tablet is that it offers air motion feature. This means that the pen can control the cursor even without touching the surface. The tablet has 6 customizable shortcut keys which are present on the top. Each of these keys can be customized in the Huion Driver app. These are the features that are available. Even the stylus button can be customized here in the Huion Driver app. So, overall, this is a lightweight, powerful and a portable tablet which is perfect for all kinds of creators.